Ang ibig siguro niyang sabihin doon is yung concept of social justice, no? Yung even distribution of wealth. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na namimigay ka, you are redistributing the national wealth, yung binibigyan mo, walang kaukulang counterpart na accountability. Yun ang diferensya ng ayuda ni Martin na legalize vote buying. Kasi number one, walang metrics, hindi nasusukat yung epekto. Number two, walang larong qualification kung sino ang qualified at bakit sila makakatanggap. At number three, it is not proven. Tupad. Ang tupad sana is actually a bridge program, cash for work during COVID at after COVID. Magtatrabaho ka for a certain period dahil hindi ka makapaghanap ng trabaho, gobyerno muna ang magbibigay ng trabaho, 10 days, 15 days. Hanggang sa makapaghanap ka na ng permanenteng trabaho. Anong ginawa nila ngayon? Magwawalis lang 2 oras, picture-picture, meron ka ng tupad. AX, assistance to individuals
in crisis situation.
Ganun din sa COVID din yan, no? Wala nang COVID. Ngayon naman ang AKAP, kasi ang sabi nila, yung minimum wage earners, mga near poor, to help them address the effects of inflation on the rising prices of commodities. Pero yung totoo talaga na total wealth distribution and economic opportunities na sinasabi mo, Joey, ay tinapyasan nila ng 50 billion. Ano yun? Yung 4Ps. Kasi yung 4Ps, it's a tried and tested program. No, walang halong politika dahil direkta sila sa mga beneficiaryo galing sa DSWD, merong database, merong qualification, and most importantly, merong responsibilidad ang mga beneficiaryo para mananatili ka sa 4Ps program. Ano yun? Ang pinaka-importante doon is to confirm na yung economic opportunities mas similar lang is number one, to give them basic health care. Kasi pag beneficiaryo ka ng 4Ps, dapat yung mga anak mo, dadalhin mo periodically sa health center. Ma-check sila, mabakuna sila, ma-check yung kanilang weight, kung hindi ba sila stunted yung growth, hindi ba sila malnourished. Pangalawa, dapat pagka naka-school age na yung mga anak mo, dapat they should be in school. Otherwise, mawawala yung 4Ps benefits mo. Pangatlo, pag ikaw ay nabubuntis or may infant, dapat dadalhin ka for pre- and postnatal care. Dapat yung mga newborn babies should be vaccinated, no? So lahat ng
yung mga responsibilities.
Ibang way dyan. Precisely because, Joey, towards the end goal, and the end goal is for them to have this level of opportunity similar to the middle class and the rich, no?